So guys, welcome to Leaves and Lungs. So recently there has been a notification that has been issued by the Tamil Nadu Medical Services Recruitment Board, that is MRB, for wanting the post of food safety officers. So they have given like total vacancies of around 120, and also they have posted the syllabus. Most of the syllabuses are relating to FSSAI exams. So we thought we would help you in this upcoming exams because this exam is very like it is an interesting kind of job. The job nature is very good, and the salary package is also very good. The starting itself, like you'll be getting around 40 to 45,000 plus extra allowances and the incentives for your field visits. So this is a very good career option if you're pursuing for one. So that they have released the notification, right? So they have put up the eligibility criteria and everything. Okay, so we have come up with a plan that is for those people who are studying for this exams. We have like prepared our plan extensively. We have been researching about this particular exams and the valuable this exam can provide for the aspirants. Because if you are from science background and if you are from any medical background, this exam is like almost a cakewalk for you. But like there are so many people who are pursuing these exams, and there is less amount of information about these exams, and also the content is a niche topic. That is, you won't find a lot of contents on the internet. There is one or two few good channels, and even those two good channels are very good in giving their MCQ. There is one channel, like I will post the link below, but like we are planning an extensive 10 days approach to crack this exam, where you can read and revise completely with this videos alone. I can promise with that alone. Okay, so already we have posted one or two videos on FSSAI and also some adulteration of glucose. If you haven't watched the video, do have a look and how the content is framed in this channel. Okay, so we have a plan where you gonna sit and study for 10 days continuously, and we will provide you the reference book, and also we will provide you the guidances that is like absolutely vital for this exams. Okay, so the plan is very simple. Okay, so we are gonna create 5 videos, each 13 minutes. Okay, each 30 minutes, so that makes totally approximately like 2.5 hours. Okay, so 2.5 hours each for one topic. There is like 10 chapter that is posted in the website for this exam. So for each chapter we will provide 2.5 hours lecture that will almost invariably covers all the important thing that can be like potentially asked in the exams. Okay, so basically we are covering one chapter per day, that is 5 videos for 30 minutes. So this would totally cover about 100 plus topics. Okay, so 100 plus topic, if you prepare these 100 topics, at least even if you get around 75 questions around from these topics, you could able to easily crack this exam. So with that view and of intention in our mind, we have like created this plan. So I'll tell you how this plan will work. Okay, so since this is a niche topic, like only very small people of can be benefited from this lecture. So I've made this a customized topic where where I do expect a certain amount from you. That is, you just need to pay 4.99. That I will be giving you 50 videos. Okay, that 50 videos of 30 minutes of good content, and there will be an option for you to download this video as well to keep on revising again and again when the exam dates are announced. Plus I will be providing you the PPTs and the PDFs also, and if you need any mentoring, that is, or if you need have any doubt and if you need how to prepare for this exams, I will give you like the mentoring from my side, either through a text or through emails. If at all, if your problem is unsolvable, then I am reachable through call also. Okay, so like try to utilize this opportunity only like after receiving the amount and only after receiving the amount of response that I get from you people, that I can start this series. So like I have provided you with the link here. Okay, so if you want to enroll in this program, please do provide the your email and your name, and pay at this UPI ID. Okay, this is leaves and lungs -2 at OK Access. Okay, so you just pay 4.99. Rest of all is assured for you. Like even though like it is not a spoon feeding thing, I will guide you in the right direction, in the proper direction. If you have any doubt, just look at the content that we provide here in this channel. If you're not satisfied with the two content that we have already uploaded, then you can like opt out of this program. Okay, but this program is specific for only those people who are appearing for food safety examiners. Okay, so please do enroll in this program if you want to crack this exam like in an interesting way. Okay, I will also provide you the previous year question papers, and I can also assure you that who are the people who crack the exams previously, and I will help you with those kinds of ideas and all the things. Okay, so like all the 5 videos and the links will be sent to your email by 5 p.m. sharply. The lecture will be of 2.5 hours, 5 videos in total. I will cover each and every topic single-handedly. So guys, please like make use of this opportunity.